here at the top. We're gonna make his hat right about like this, top of his costume. Give him some ear bits here like this. Looking very nice. There we go. And let's round off his face by coming down just like this. This is looking good. And in like this. Very nice, everybody. This is gonna be good. Now what we can do is draw the beginning of his mask here. They are PJ masks after all. A little bit down there, right across here. Continue that little bit that went in like that, right there. And this can be his nose. Sweet. Oh, I like it. Give him a couple of dots there just for fun. And a fun mouth. And a little smile. That looks good. Now we can draw in his eyes right about here. Just like this. And just like this. Two eyes like that. Looking good. Now let's round the insides off. Here we go. Just like that. The little highlight here. Highlight there. And then we can bring in his pupils like that. Color them in if you like. Looking nice. There we go. Let's not forget his eyebrows. Looking nice, everybody. Alrighty. Now we're gonna make Catboy standing at attention here. Looking all confident like. There we go. There's his belly coming out like that. Bring his other back bit down like that. And this arm will come out here like this. And then this arm like that. And bring his elbow like this in. And we'll have his hand at his side like that. His thumb just behind there. And then his fingers coming down just like this. Looking good, everybody. 3 fingers for Catboy. That looks good. And we'll put his other hand here. Just here like that. Just so we know it's there. Looking sweet. Now we can bring his feet down like this. And like this. Alrighty, everybody. This looks good. And then he's got his toes right about there. His other foot right like this. Looking sweet. And then we can bring it all on up like that. Give him a belly there just for fun. And then we'll bring it down this leg here like that. Let's not forget his tail now, everybody. Just like this around like that. He wouldn't be Catboy without a tail, would he? There we go. And we can draw his symbol now. This is the fun bit. Little cat symbol for him. Just like this. Up like that and that. Down. Little pointy bit. And some eyes. Looking good. Finish it off with a funny mouth. There we go, everybody. We'll draw his stripes with the color. Good looking, sweet Catboy. Here we go. Catboy has a blue costume. Light skin color. Light blue eyes and light blue symbol. Dark blue stripes. Thanks, everyone.